Good morning, everyone. Today I will present my final project that is backend in Java for information processing. Uh, the business overview of my project is the efficiency in academic report. This project is situated within a university that needs to optimize the generation of its scientific production report. The efficiency in data processing is the key asset for the department, allowing for faster and more accurate decision making. The problem context is the the company use the data integration from JSON files is performed manually, and this process, like others, is slow and prone to errors. The challenge of this project is to eliminate this bottleneck and developing an application that automates the conversation to CSV format. Okay, in this case is the manual process to automated workflow. The hypothesis of my project is if a desktop application is developing in Java to automate the conversation, then the university will be able to drastically reduce information integration time and improve the accuracy of these reports. The backlog of my project was guided by an agile backlog defining the key functionalities and the user story for a structured approach. One of my user story is as a developer, I want to research and document the concept for Scrum, JSON, and CSV so I can establish a solid knowledge base for the project. In this case, we have five user stories that we use in the roadmap. This is my roadmap. Was designed to align the project's phases and key deliverables for each three sprints. In this case, the sprint number one is the research and planning. We have to search about concepts like Scrum or Agile methods. The sprint number two is to developing a normal says JSON to CSV files, but simple. Well, the user can use a JSON file, and the program or the system create a CSV. And the sprint number three, we have a new modification in the project that we have a interface for users, and the user can upload a CSV, a JSON file, sorry, to CSV file in Excel in this case. Okay. This is the evaluation criteria of this project. Was measured against a formal rubric evaluation, the design of algorithms in Java, parsing, execution, and project documentation. And pues, the solution of tree sprint is the sprint number one, that is document foundational concepts, like I said, Scrum, JSON, and CSV, and plan it, the project. The sprint number two, development the functional prototype in Java capable of reading JSON and writing CSV. And sprint number three, that is complete the program adding parameters, configuration, and verification checklists. And in my case, I add interface for the user. So the conclusion of this project is the hypotheses are validated. The final application validates the hypothesis, proving be an efficient and robust solution for automatization of the task. The key recommendation is the parameter configuration sprint number three was crucial to convert the prototype into a reusable tool. And the future vision is the next step, that is graphical user interface that I create. So to facilitate and its use by non-technical staff. Well, this is my example. In this case, we have books de Caperucita Roja, Los Tres Cochinitos, El Patito Feo, y La Liebre y la Tortuga. We with this JSON file we transform to CSV, but we have the converter, that is the interface. First, we have to select the JSON file. In this case, is cuentos.json, and the number two is click to convert to CSV. So we had the final result that is that's the sub file. In this case, is in Excel. And this is all for today. Thank you all. Uh, See you later. Thank you.